What's up guys, welcome back to my video again. I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. In this video I will be showing you how to build this simple JavaScript game. So right here we have 3 blocks, each a different color, and we have this green button that says start the race, and when we click it, these blocks will start moving, and whoever gets to the finish line first wins. So yeah, that's all there is to the game. So if you want to learn how to build it, watch the video till the end. I promise you this won't be a long video like most of my other videos, so please watch till the end, and so you will learn how to build it. And anyways, let's get started. So first I'm gonna delete all this code so we can start from scratch, and I can explain each line of code line by line so you will understand what I'm doing. So first we will create 3 divs, and you guessed it, those divs are for each of those 3 blocks. So the first one, I'll give it an ID of container1, then div 2, so div ID container 2. Okay, and then we'll do div hashtag container 3. And we'll just leave them blank because we don't need to add any text or anything. We just need to style it. Next we'll create our button and give it an ID of button and name it start the race, and then after that I'll create a script and then give the button an event listener. So first I have to create a variable for the button, and then we can call an event listener on that button. So document dot event listener, and then function block, and we also need to create variables for each of the individual 3 blocks. So block 1 equals document dot get element by ID, container 1. I'll just copy this down 2 times so to make things go by much quicker. This will be 2, 3, 2, and 3. And we're done with the variables. We can do block 1 dot style dot width equals 400 plus pixels. Then block 2, yeah, we can do the same thing, just copy and paste it. Change this to 2 and then 3, and we're done with our HTML and JavaScript. All we need to do now is style it and give it some color to make it look more colorful, and we'll be done. So container 1, background color red. This will make the first one red, width 100 pixel, height 100 pixels, and then I'll do transition width 6 linear. And this transition keyword, this is why each of the blocks move at different speeds, is because I gave this a transition of 6 seconds. Take it 6 seconds to travel 400 pixels, while container 2, you'll see in a minute. Let me show you. So first I have to do background color blue without a space, obviously, width 100 pixels, height 100 pixels, transition width 7s, and there you go, you see that same line again. But this time it'll take container 2 7 seconds to travel 400 pixels, which means it's moving slightly slower than container 1. And then container 3, I'll give it a background color of yellow, a width of 100 pixels. If I can spell it, I guess I can't. Yes, I can, never mind. 100 pixels. Transition width 5s linear. So now if I do position relative top 40 pixels, and then for the button I'll Oh, I forgot to explain to you this line again. So, container 3, block 3, it's moving. It's going to take it 5 seconds to travel 400 pixels, which means it's moving at an average speed of 80 pixels per second. So, it's going a little bit quicker than the rest. So, that's why it's going to win the race. Then, I'll style my button. I'll give it a position of relative, left 400 pixels, top 50 pixels, width 80 pixels, and then height 35 pixels, not 250, 35 pixels, there we go. Background color green, color white, and we're done. Actually, I wouldn't mind giving my container 2 like maybe some space. So do position relative, because you see how the blue is sticking to the red. We have to detach them, I guess you could call it. So I'll do top 20 pixels, and now there's some space in between them, which is what we wanted. And now we can start the race. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, that was roughly 7 seconds. And the yellow wins, but if we change the speed of it, we can make it take longer, so 10 seconds. Now it's falling behind while the rest is surpassing it. And yeah, that's all there is to this project. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider subscribing and liking the video if you haven't already. And if you want to, you can take my source code, which is all this, and go try and build this on your own, and let me know what you think of it in the comments below. And I guess this wraps it up for the video. I hope you guys have a nice day. Take care, and I'll see you guys in my next video.